Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Alisha and today's video is a makeup haul. Like I bought some products and I haven't brought them like today or like all together, but I brought them like one and I've been buying them from a long time. So yes, with that I'll be trying a Christmas makeup look. So let's get into the video. Well, this is the pouch that I bought. I know it's cute. It's really spacious, you know guys, it's really spacious. I can keep a lot more things in it, like a lot. And I bought it for like $250 something because it was on sale. I bought it on sale. And let's see the products. It has a lot, like you know, it has a lot. Okay, I wanted to tell you I bought a primer. Like, since it's kind of a beginner one because I've always been using my mom's makeup, so it's my first makeup and it's a beginner one, so like I don't have too costly things and it's really simple. But I bought a primer that was for my skin, basically for combination skin. I bought the oily one so that you know it does not affect my pores. So I bought that primer. It cost me 800 rupees. Like that was the most expensive thing in this haul. I don't have that right now because I seriously don't know where. I just kept it. It was in this bag, but I don't know where it is. If I find it, I'll tell you guys. And now let's start with, after the primer you will obviously use a foundation. So here's the foundation. If you have seen my Diwali vlog, I used some of these makeup products for my makeup look, and this is the first, the Lakme Perfection Liquid Foundation. Like this isn't my shade, like this is almost near my shade, but I use a lighter one, but this works really well also. And it's for 150. Yep, it was for 150, and that's a really nice price. You can use the Fit Me foundation as well, but I got this one because I'm as a beginner will be using this. Then I have this concealer. Like this is the Swiss Beauty Perfect Cover Pan Stick Concealer. It's in the shade this, like 2. It's the number 2 shade. Soft Beige. Yeah, I have used this and it's really good. Yes, it's good. And it cost me for about, I don't know, let me see. Yeah, this was also for 150, which is quite good. Like Swiss Beauty has some really good products with really reasonable prices, so I would say if you're a beginner, you should go with Swiss Beauty products. Yeah. Then comes something for eyes and all. I didn't bought any lipstick or something, but like just the main makeup products you should have as a beginner. Here comes the main things. So I got this Lakme Iconic eyeliner. It was for 250. Yeah, it was for 250, and I don't think 250 is a really good price if you're a beginner, but I really like the quality, so I just bought this one, and the pigmentation was really good. And well, I have a substitute for this for you guys. This is my favorite, all-time favorite, Lakme Insta Liner Water Resistant Eyeliner, and it is, I don't know the price, but it's cheaper than this. Okay, let me see. Yeah, I'll tell you the price. I'll let the price be here, and it's really cheaper than this one, and it has more quantity, and this is the best eyeliner I've ever used, the best eyeliner. But I got myself this one because it was really nice. I wanted to try something new. But if you are a beginner still, I'll tell you to buy this one. I'll request you to buy this one because this is a really good product, and Lakme, please sponsor me. Then I have this. Oh my god, why? I have used this one. Like this is from Lotus, an eyelash color. Oh, Okay, I don't use eyelash curlers, but you know, it's a little fancy and it just cost me 70 to 100 rupees, somewhere in between 70 to 100. And if you buy it on Amazon or from any online place or any online market and all, you're gonna get it for more than 100. You have to pay more than 100. But if you buy it from a shop that's near you, I'll prefer that, because it was for about 80 rupees. Yeah, so that's 20 rupees less than the Amazon price or anywhere. Actually, if I tell you, I don't really need this eyelash curler because my eyelashes are already so like that. So I don't really need this, but I just bought it for fun. It was so cute in color. And then, as I've told you, I've not got anything expensive or so brandy and like so luxurious. So I've got this Lotus makeup. From this Lotus Makeup Max Lash Botanical Mascara, if you can see it. Yeah, this is waterproof, but let me tell you something. I've got to know, like, I have experienced this. If you use waterproof eyelashes, if you use waterproof mascara, it will affect your eyelashes. Like, if you remove it, and then your eyelashes will come off with that. So it's better if you don't use waterproof waterproof mascaras, but it's your choice. I bought this one. I've not bought any contour highlighter or anything like that yet, or blush even, because I don't think I want that. I can use a lipstick as that, and I have already, like, my mom has that, so I don't need that. But there's a really good product. It's from Sugar. It is 3-in-1 contour highlighter and blush. I'll insert the photo here, and it's really good. You can buy that. You can consider buying that. You can get it from Nykaa at a really reasonable price. But there's something I really want to tell you. Okay, I got this Revolution Maxi Reloaded palette, Monster Dreamer. It's Monster Dreamer. And guess what? See this picture. It's the same palette and it's just for 1,000 rupees. So that's bad, Nykaa. Let me show it to you. You can see the colors are the same, the quality is the same, the pigmentation is so good, but I just can't guess why Nykaa has to do that. Like, not on all the products. Like, there is, like, that I talked about, the Sugar one, it was a really reasonable price, but this one, they were like, what the hell are you doing, Nykaa people? Naked 3 from Urban Decay, it was for 175 rupees. Okay, now let me tell you the quality. I used them just once. Like, it's used, you can see that it's used. I just kept it like this, but you just see this, a really good amount of product. A really good amount of brushes and just 175. It's good if you are a beginner, but I used it for the first time and they were like, this thing was just coming out and out and out, and that was bad for, that wasn't good. They won't last long, but it's good if you are a beginner. Since I don't do a lot of makeup, I'm okay with that, because I'm not gonna do makeup all day and all the time, so I have no tension that they would be destroyed or they would be like off soon. So I don't care about that. But if you're buying this, it's not that good quality, so I won't tell you to buy that, but it's really good. Like, for beginners it's good because it's soft. It's so soft. And then let me show you the other brushes. So this is the bunch of brushes they give you. These for the eyebrows, and these two, also the mascara one. And they are total 1, 2, 3. There are total 12 brushes in it, which is nice, but the price is nice. The quality is not that nice, but you can buy them. It's not bad. Then I have this Lotus Makeup Puffs, emoticon puffs. They are so cute. The one is with this emoji and this one is with emoji, which were cute. I found them really cute, and I have used them in my Diwali vlog video. They work really nice. You can do. They blend really nice. And yes, this was the amount of products that I bought, and this was for, I guess, 50 to 100, somewhere between 50 to 100. I don't really remember the price because I bought them a while ago, so I've been doing makeup for so long. Like I was not allowed to do my makeup, but I did my makeup on my own from first. But like when I was home alone, I just tried my mom's products and I would destroy them. But if I honestly tell you, I don't know which brush is for what. Okay. Since we are trying makeup for Christmas, so we will do a red and green. Okay. I'll use this and this green, and for red I'll be using this and this red. Right? Yeah. This red and this shade. So I have used the lighter shade here and the darker one like above that. I have this cute box with glitters, so like this plan was not working well. It didn't turn out that good. And also I have this Primark Beauty glitter palette which has these colors. So I can use this Minx one. Well, it doesn't look great right now. I just did this so that it gives that snow effect. But my eyeliner is perfect. How is it possible? Thank you so much for watching this video. If you guys like my makeup look and if you guys like the video, just hit the thumbs up and stay tuned. For that, you have to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell button so that you get all the notifications from this channel. And I love you guys so much. Bye bye.